Hello children, I expect you all are fine. I hope you all will see the video lesson and you all will complete your assignment. Children, in your exercise 12, in last video we had completed question number 1. In that I had solved 5 sum and I told you to solve 5 sum. So children, in exercise 12, question number 2 is remain. Today we are going to solve question number 2. Now, in your question number 2, what is asking? Find the HCF by the division method and reduce to the simplest form. So children, what we will do? 275, first question is given 275 upon 525. Students, you all can identify which number is greater number. Of course, your answer is 525 greater number and 275 is the smaller number. So children, your 525 will be dividend. 525 will be dividend and which one is smaller one? That one will be yours divisor. 275 like this way. First we will divide. 275 we will divide one time. Then 275. We will 5 minus 5. Your answer is 0. 12 minus 7. 12 minus 7 answer is 5. And 4 minus 2. Then your answer you got 250. Now this one is your remainder. Again what you will do? With this remainder you will divide 275. Here 275 is the divisor. This divisor will come over here. 275. Now 275 what you will do? 251 ja 250. Your answer is 5. 7 minus 5 answer 2. Then 2 minus 2 answer is 0. Now here in this question 25 is the remainder. Here 250 is the divisor. This 250 we will take here. 250. Now 250 9 ja. 25 9 ja. You will get 250. 9 5 ja 45. Then 9 2 ja 18. 18 plus 4. Then first what you will do? What you will do? 25 1 ja 25. 0 will remain here. Then 25 0 ja 0. Means 25 table you will multiply by 10. You will get your answer 0. When you will divide the dividend, this dividend you will divide till that time your remainder you are not getting 0. Now here you are getting 0. Therefore, where you got 0 remainder, which number is the divisor, that one you are going to see. Now here divisor is 25. Therefore, what you will write? HCF. Your HCF equal to 25. Your first question is, what is the HCF for the number 275 upon 525? Therefore, you had divided and where you got remainder 0, that divisor will be your HCF. Now, next question is asking reduce to the simplest form. For simplest form, here common number for 275 and 525 is 25. Common number means HCF. Therefore, what we will write? 275 upon 525 equal to 25 into and the 25 into 25 9 ja. How many times you will multiply? For this one, you can solve like this way also. 25 1 ja 25, 7 minus 5 2 and 5. 25 1 ja 25. 0 0 means you got 11. Next one, here 525. 525. 25 2 ja 50. 2 5. 25 1 ja 25. Yours 25 into multiply 25 into 21. You got the answer 525. Therefore, you want the reduced form of this both number. Therefore, 25 25 will be cancelled. Now, remaining number is 11 upon 21. So, children, this answer is yours reduced form for the number 275 upon 525. I hope you all understood. Now, we will move to our next sum. That is question number. I will solve question number 3. That is 161 upon 69. Question number third one given. So, for this one also, first point, out of both this number, which one is greater? 161. Therefore, this 161 will be dividend. And the smaller number, that is 69. 69 will be divisor. We will divide this one. 69, how many times? It will be subtract from 161. 69, 2 ja we will take. 2 9 ja 18. 2 6 ja 12. 1 13. 11 minus 8, 3. Then 5 minus 3, 2. Your remainder is 23. Again, with the help of this remainder, we will divide 69. 69. Here we will get 23 3 ja 69. Then here you got remainder 0. What I told, when you will get remainder 0, you should stop there. And by which divisor you are getting your remainder 0, that divisor is the HCF for this number. Therefore, here HCF will be 23. Now, second question for this one. Find out the reduced form of 161 upon 69. Then for this number, 23 is the common for both this number. Therefore, 23 into. Here also 23 into. Now we will multiply 23 into how many times? Then 23 161. How many times it will go? 7 3 ja 21. 7 3 ja 21. 7 2 ja 14 plus 2 16. 7. For 69, as we know, 23 into 3 ja 23 3 ja 69. Here 23 will cancel and remaining terms are 7 upon 3. So children, both this method for find out division method as well as a reduced form you understood. Here 3 questions was given. Out of 3 I had solved 2. One is remain. You will solve and In this way, you will complete your exercise 12. Now, we are moving for our next exercise, that is 13. 13. So, children, here in exercise 13, first question is given 12 and 15. And for this one, find LCM. What we are, children? Now we are entering in our LCM. We had completed for HCF. Now we are entered in our LCM. So children, as we find out prime factor for numbers, in the same method we will follow for LCM also. What we did, 12 and 15. Then that number we are going to find out by which one, 12 and 15. Both number will divide. For example, in the table of 3. 3 4 jar 12. 3 5 jar 15. Isn't it? So children, we got 4 and 5 for both the number. Then here, as we know, no number is divided to 4 and 5 together. Therefore, what we will do? This number we will keep as it is. Then, if we want to find out LCM, LCM equal to 3, which one is common, and whatever the remaining term is there. Here 4 into 5. Then your LCM will be 3 4 jar 12. 12 into 5 60. I hope you all understood. Now next question we will move. Second question. For second question, 3 numbers are given. 6, 8 and 10. In the same method we will follow 6, 8 and 10. And all this number, by which number it is dividing, that number we are going to find out. Then we know that 6, 8, 10 we are getting in the table of 2. Therefore 2 3 are 6, 2 4 are 8, 2 5 are 10. So children, now you can see 3, 4, 5, all these 3 numbers we are not getting in the table, same table. Therefore, we will keep all these numbers as it is. Then, what will be your LCM? LCM equal to 2 into whatever the remaining numbers are there. That is 3 into 4 into 5. Children, here one more point is there. Suppose in the same question, someone will ask you, what will be the HCF? So children, whatever the common terms you are getting, that one is your HCF. And which one we are multiplying? This common number plus the multiply by all this remaining term. That one is your LCM. Now we are find out the LCM, that is 2 3 are 6, 6 4 are 24, 24 5 are 24 into 5. Then 5 4 are 20, 5 2 are 10, 10 plus 2 12, 120. You can multiply from this side also. 5 4 are 20, 20 into 3, that is 60, 60 into 2 120. Your answer is 120 for the given question 6, 8, 10. Now in the same way we will find out next question, that is 1832. This one is also 2 division. You can try. Now I will go for further question, that is fourth one, 10, 15, 20. 10, 15, 20. So children, in the same method we will do. Now which number will divide all these three numbers 10, 15 and 20? By first we will see for 2. By 2, 15 will not divide. Next we will move for 3. By 3, this 20 will not divide. Next number we will move for 4. Then 15 will not divide. As well as 10 will not divide. Therefore, we will go to our next number, that is 5. 5 will divide. Why? Because in all the three numbers, we are having 0 and 5 in the unit place. Therefore, we will prefer 5. 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20. Again, you got 2, 3, 4 as a number. Which one? Now here 2 and 4 common number is there. Here we can take 2. Then when you will divide by 2, your answer will be here 1. Here same number, because 3 we are not getting in the table of 2. Therefore this number will be same only. Now 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4. Now I can say that 1, 3, 2 is not divided by any number. Therefore we will stop here only. Then your answer is, what will be LCM? Then here LCM equal to 5 into 2, which one is common? This 5 and 2 is common in all the three numbers. Therefore this one into remaining term 1, 3, 2. If you will not write 1, then also it's okay. Write 3 into 2. Then multiply all this number. 5 2s are 10. 10 3s are 30. 30 2s are 60. 2 3s are 6. 6 2s are 12. 12 5s are 60. Means for this number your LCM is 60. In the same way, we will solve fourth one, sixth one. Then we will solve sixth one, that is 15. Question is given sixth one, 15, 30 and 90. Then in the same way we will do 15, 30, 90. Then we will see by which number all three numbers will divide. We will select 5, or you can select any other number also. For example 3. If we will take 3. 3 5s are 15. 3 1s are 3. 3 0s are 0. Next one, 3 3s are 9. 3 0s are 0. Your number you got 5, 10 and 30. Now we will select next number by which all three numbers should divide. Then which number we will prefer? We will prefer 5. Then 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 6s are 30. Now here already you got 1. Therefore no need to see for first one. We will see for second and third one. When we will look over there 2 and 6. Out of both, which one is common? 2. Then here 1 will remain same. 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2 and 2 3s are 6. Now so children, what you got? LCM. LCM for first one, which number you got common? That is 3 into 5 into 2. After that, which number is remain? Here remaining number is 3. Therefore, multiplication of all this number. 3 5 are 15. 15 2 are 30. 13 into 3 90. 90. So, children, I hope you all understood the sum. Now, in this exercise, question number first, last sum I will solve. Last sum is question number 10, 18, 36, 27. So children, in the same way, write down 18, my column 36, 27. Next, now you are going to see by which number all three given number will divide. Then we can see here 18, 36, 27. 18, 27 easily you can identify both the number is divided by 3. Now 36 also 12 3 are 36. Therefore we will select the number 3. 3 9 are 18. Sorry. 3 6 are 18. Next one 3 1 are 3. 3 2 are 6. That is 3 into 12 36. Next number 3 9 are 27. Now again we can identify 6, 12, 9 all three number we are getting in the table of 3. Therefore again we will write 3. 3 2 are 6. 3 4 are 12. 3 3 are 9. Now here we can identify 2 and 4 only is there. Which one will be there in common? Therefore again write down. Here doesn't matter if two numbers are also having common factor, you can take. Then 2, 1 are 2, 2 2 are 4. Here remaining because 3 will not divide by 2. Therefore as it is we will write. Now we are going to write down LCM. LCM, which one is common factor? 3 into 3 into 2 and which one is remaining term? That is 2 into 3. Now multiply. 3 3 are 9. 9 2 are 18. 18 2 are 36. 36 into 3. 3 6 are 18. 3 3 are 9 or 1 10. 108. That is 108. So children, I hope you all understood the sum of LCM properly. Now we are going to move to our second sum, that is find the HCF and LCM of the number given below. Verify that their product is equal to the product of the given number. So children, here first question we will see. Question number first one, 32, 37. Now here first we are going to find out HCF. 32, 2 into 16, or you can write down for 32 we are having factor. 2 2 are 4, 4 2 are 8, 8 2 are 16, 16 2 are 32. But for 37 it is a prime factor or prime number. Therefore for this one 1 into 37. Now we are going to find out common factor in between both. We will find out common factor. Common factor equal to 1. As you can identify, here all the terms are 2. Here no number is there, means 1 into that number itself. Therefore your common factor is 1. So therefore your HCF equal to 1. Now we are going to find out LCM. Now LCM, what we will do, no common number is there. Therefore, your LCM will be multiplication of both these number. Then, your LCM equal to 32 into 37. Multiplication of both these number. Find out 37 and 32. 2 7 are 14. 2 3 are 6. 1 7. Next one 3 7 are 21. 3 3 are 9 and 11. Answer 7 8 1 1. Means your SCF is 1. LCM is 1184. You are going to find out that yours verify that product is equal to the product of the given number. So, as GCD and SCF both is same. SCF into LCM. SCF into LCM equal to product of given number. So children, SCF you got 1, LCM you got 1184. Here product of given number, that is 32 into 37. So children, here 1184 will remain same because 1184 into 1 is same only. Now here already we got this one 1184, means both the side is same. I hope you all understood. Now here many questions are given. Next question I will solve. Third one, 1560. You can solve any one sum you can solve. Suppose we will solve second one, 46 and 51. Then find out 46 and 51. In the table of each one you will get both this number. 46, as you know, 23 into 2, and 51, 17 into 3. Then here you are not getting any common number, that's why we will drop this one. Now in both we are seeing no number is there in common. Therefore SCF equal to 1. No number is common means SCF is 1. Now this is LCM, or you will find out LCM. LCM is common number into remaining number. Common number is not there. Therefore, we will multiply all this term. That is 46. You can directly multiply 23 into 2, 17 into 3. Or you can multiply 46 into 51 directly. As we will multiply directly 1 into 6, 6, 1 into 4, 4. 5 into 6, 30. 3 will remain. 5 4 are 20. 20 plus 3, 23. 6, 4, 3, 2. Your answer is 2, 3, 4, 6. Therefore, your LCM is 2, 3, 4, 6. Now, we are going to verify. What we are going to verify? SCF into LCM equal to product of given number. SCF 1, LCM 2, 3, 4, 6 equal to product of given number, that is 46 into 51. As you know, multiplication of both this number, you are getting same number only, 2, 3, 4, 6. Therefore, children, your verification GCD into LCM equal to product of given number. Given number means question. It is clear that both the side numbers are same only. So children, I hope whatever questions today we had completed, you will solve that sum. But as well as whatever question we had not completed, that question also you are going to solve. We are giving assignment, that one you will solve. But whatever questions are there in your textbook as a exercise, that one also you all are going to solve all the sum. So children, be happy, healthy and safe. Thank you.